Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on tripadvisor.com. So let's get started. First, head over to tripadvisor.com and click on sign in button in the top right corner. Now you have two options. You can continue with Google or you can continue with your email. Choose the option that you like. I'll continue with Google. Now select the Gmail ID. Click continue. Let's close it down. Now write your business or website name. Click done. Now click on your profile icon and click on profile. Now click on edit profile. You can change the username from here. Let's change it. Now add your website URL here. Let's copy the address and paste it here. You can also write something about your business as well. Let's copy it and paste it here. Now click save. Now your profile backlink is ready. Here it is. And here is your profile URL. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.